Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how you can enable option on Robinhood account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, you need to log in into your Robinhood account, and once you're logged into your account, tap on accounts in the top right. After you're logged in, next interface will be directed to the home page, and on this page you need to click on accounts in the top right. As soon as you click on accounts, a drop down menu will appear, and from the list you need to click on settings. As you click on settings, you'll be directed to the settings page, and in the left hand side corner you need to click on get option trading. Next page, click on enable. After that, you need to answer some of the questions regarding investment knowledge, experience and other relevant details, and after that you can start placing your option trade. And that is how you can enable option trade on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.